Components of Spreadsheet. Cell range. It refers to a group of cells that are adjacent to each other and forms a rectangular shape. Active cell. The cell which is clicked or where the mouse pointer is currently becomes an active cell. Formula bar. This is the area where we can edit the contents of the cell or we write formulas. This is next to the name box. Cell pointer. It is the thick green boundary that surrounds the active cell. Name box. It is the place which shows the address of the cell. Navigating in a worksheet. There are many ways to navigate in a worksheet. We can move around through scroll bar, arrow keys and mouse. The first method through which we can navigate through worksheet are using various key combinations. We can use various combinations of keys to move in the worksheet. Using the name box. We can directly move to a particular cell by typing the address of the cell in the name box. For example, if we want to move to cell C8, then we can type C8 in the name box and the cursor will automatically reach there. Using the Go To dialog box. Another method of navigating in a worksheet is by using the Go To dialog box. We can go to Edit menu and click on Go To option. Enter the cell address in the reference text box. As we press Enter key, the cursor will automatically move to that particular cell.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.